Purchase orders are requests sent by your customer to buy your goods or services. When you receive a purchase order, you should fulfill it. It's been approved by your customer and no additional authorization is necessary. All of your purchase orders appear in your inbox. Here are all your orders and releases. The Actions menu allows you to perform tasks for each purchase order. You can notify your customer that you received the order and confirm, change, or reject it. You can notify your customer that you shipped the order. You can send invoices to bill your customer or credit memos to return funds. The last command hides the order. You might want to hide old or inactive orders. You'll see how to do this in a moment. Buttons at the bottom of the page duplicate the commands in the Actions menu. To view a purchase order, click the order number. The top of the purchase order contains your customer's name, your company's name, the ship to address, and the bill to address. Send the ordered items to the ship to address. If your customer pays by credit card or purchasing card, the card number would appear here. Use your point-of-sale system to charge the card. Otherwise, you will send an invoice using your Ariba Network account. You can see that this is a changed order based on the version number. This link displays the previous version. Scroll down to see that the original values are crossed out and are replaced with new values in orange text. Customers might modify their orders, such as adding or deleting ordered items or quantities, or changing item descriptions. This order is for 27 desk organizers at $25.63 each for a total of $692.01. You can hide the change tracking by clicking Hide Changes. Click Show Changes to display them again. The purchase order also displays its status. Routing status indicates what has happened with the order within the Ariba network, and this is the state of the order from your customer's perspective. To review the possible statuses, look them up by clicking Help Center, and then click the pop-out icon. The Ariba Exchange user community includes the Learning Center, which contains all Ariba network documentation. Expand the sections Orders and Releases, Receiving and Fulfilling Orders, Viewing Details for Orders or Releases, and click Order Status Definitions. Scroll down to see the available order status levels. Now go back to the purchase order. Use these three buttons to send order confirmations, ship notices, or invoices or credit memos. You can also print the order, either all details or just the current page. If you expect no additional action on the order after you fulfill it, you can hide it. By hiding old orders, you make it easier to see new ones. If you ever need to display this order, use the inbox search filters to find it. When searching, select the view Only Hidden Orders. Then click the Search button.